Hello community, we are back with another episode of LCX Insights. LCX has expanded its services to include instant fiat transfers, which are made possible by our partnership with Clear Junction and BCB. And you might be asking, what is Clear Junction? Regulated for trust and engineered for excellence, Clear Junction operates under the strict oversight of the Financial Conduct Authority, exemplifying reliability and compliance. And what is BCB? BCB Group is a leading global provider of business accounts and trading services for institutions in digital asset economy. And it's regulated in the UK and also in Switzerland. And the next important question, how to use Clear Junction and BCB for payments. First of all, visit exchange.lcx.com and click on Deposit. Enter the necessary details and then add your beneficiary. After adding the beneficiary, you'll find their information in the Manage Bank Accounts section. Simply choose the beneficiary, enter the amount, and your transaction is complete. And all of you watching can test out this feature right now on LCX Exchange. Next exciting piece of news is the Bold token sale coming on LCX. Bold is a Web3 powered ecosystem facilitating the creation of gamified viral challenges. And the Bold token serves as a primary token within Bold ecosystem. This includes its function as a payment token, as well as various utility functions such as rewarding, special contest access, staking, and many more. Follow LCX official Twitter page to learn all about it. The next interesting update is from Diamonds. The chocolate collection on the xrp.cafe is live right now. This exclusive range of tokenized diamonds available on the dynamic xrp.cafe marketplace offers a unique blend of luxurious gemstones with delightful chocolate names. Each one is minted on the XRPL, ensuring transparency backed by the real-world natural diamond. The 10 exquisite diamonds include fixed sale and auction sale. The fixed sale has 8 diamonds and the auction will have 2 diamonds. And it's really easy to buy these amazing gems. First of all, create a wallet, reserve requirements, add XRP to your wallet, click on the Diamonds collection, and just purchase any of the NFTs from the collection. That's how easy it is to buy these diamonds. And the diamond updates don't end here. Diamonds already leveraging the Cardano blockchain by partnering with the NMKR to offer Cardano diamonds on their platform. And 5 new drops are live and up for grabs. Second loyalty package is live right now on the MasterDEX platform. MasterDEX second loyalty program offers a generous distribution of 36 million MDEX tokens to reward our dedicated users. This initiative is designed to incentivize early adopters and to boost engagement using 2 key channels, the MasterDEX Reward Hub and the Galaxy Quest. And the link to participate in the second loyalty program can be found in the description. And if we're talking about MasterDEX, the MDEX public sale is currently live on LCX, presenting a limited time chance to acquire MDEX tokens. So don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity and act now. And lastly, we have a small teaser. Get ready for something exciting coming to LCX. We're thrilled to announce an upcoming update that will make transactions on LCX Exchange even more easier and even more seamless for our users. This enhancement is designed to improve your experience, making trading more efficient and user-friendly. And we know the anticipation is building quick, but we encourage you to hold on a bit longer before the official announcement. And of course, if you want to be up to date and first to learn all the updates, don't forget to follow all LCX social media profiles and subscribe to this channel. These were all the news and all the updates we had this week. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next week.